Today we have 2015 S550 222 chassis. We have a lot of play on our CV axle. We get vibration out of it. So first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is already remove the pulley cap, center hubcap, which reveals our 17mm wheel bolts and CV axle bolt. Let's go ahead and take this wheel off. Wheel is off. This one here, I'm not even sure what size it is, but we are going to use 19mm regular socket, which fits right here. I've locked the rotor from moving right here on the caliper using jack handle for extension. Lift up, be careful not to scratch your bumper. Let's hope we don't break. There we go. There it comes. Be careful not to scratch your bumper or fender. Lucy. Now that we have this bolt removed, we're gonna go ahead and loosen the top bolt nut from the upper control arm and also the sway bar link. These are 16mm. Now top bolt nut removed, a 16mm nut removed. Used a longer bar, used it to slide it through here on the CV axle, pull it down, slide it out. Now we have to go ahead and separate the upper control arm from the spindle knuckle. Fortunately, this upper control arm came out easy. Took a flat head and wedged it a little bit between and it just popped off. Now I have undone this brake line from its plastic little bracket that holds it on spot here. Not too much stress on it, nothing that will go ahead and damage it. I put the bungee cord here to take the stress off. That's enough to push the CV axle end out. And you can see plenty of room. Now what we're gonna do is pop it out from the other side and put the new one in. Before we put the new one in, we're gonna go ahead and measure them side by side to make sure that they are same length. Both axle shafts, old one, new one, side by side, just to confirm it's same length. There we go. Good to know. Ready to pop the new one in and assemble in reverse order. New shaft is where it's supposed to be. Just go ahead and slide it in between here and make sure you align the splines on the front differential part and just kind of push it, pop it in. That's that. Once this is done, guide it through this hole here. There's spindle hole. I have new bolt going in. Simply slides there, just to put this one there for now. Our upper control arm here, bring it down and slide the bolt nut through, reconnect this brake line bracket there, sway bar link, bolt, or actually nut, reconnect and torque everything down to spec, install the wheel and you're done. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.